Hello guys, welcome to class 14 of Python programming. By now we realize that Python offers many different ways to organize collections of data items. We have come across list, strings and tuples already. Today we'll be talking about another collection type, that is dictionary. In this chapter, we'll be learning about how data items are organized in a Python dictionary, how we can access items from a dictionary, various operations that we can perform on a dictionary, and various related functions and methods. Dictionaries are simply another type of collection in Python, but with a twist. Rather than having an index associated with each data item, dictionaries in Python have a key and a value. I'll show you here. This is a typical Python dictionary. The name is D, and then you see in the dictionary there are two keys. One is class duration, 40 minutes, and the other one is the time. The time of the class is 4 p.m. At 4 p.m. class will be started. That's what I planned, and I want to take a 40 minutes class for dictionary. So I've kept class duration as the key for 40 and time as the key for 4 p.m. So if you want to get access to 40, you can do with class duration. That is the key here. So what are all the keys here? We have two keys. One is class duration, the other one is time. What are the values? The values are 40 and 4 p.m. If you remember lists, if I write here 40 and 4 only, suppose let me write 40 and 4, or 4 p.m. if you want to write, the length is 2 here. Even the length is 2 here, not 4. So if you check here, how you get access to 40? This is a list. Normally we write this way, capital D, within bracket we write 0. That's how we get 40. Through index we access elements. However, in case of dictionary, if you want to get access, then you need to write class duration. See, this way is not correct. I mean, we need to write proper codes, but here in PowerPoint not possible. Anyway, that's not an issue. Class duration, you have to write this way. We have to merge the class and duration. There should not be any gap. Then you write this. You will get 40. That is the difference. If you want me the difference between list and dictionary, in list we have indices. The first index is 0, and if you want to get access to 40 through 0, we get here nothing called 0. So specially we have to write key for this value. So this is a mapping from key to value. Let me write it properly. You will get this way. So you can compare. Even if you want, you can write 0 here, 1 here, so that at 0 you will get 40 and at 1 you will get 4. But then it will not become a list. We'll check now. Let's go once again to Jupyter. So let's create one dictionary. The first dictionary. Suppose I write 0. Roll number starts with 1, but for 0 I can write something. Okay, let me write elements 0, 10, 0, 100, and then 1, 200, then 2, 300, 4, 500. Let's see. Print A. So whenever you start with a new type, you have to write type also. Print A. Then let me copy this one. Print type of A. You write here. Then print ID is not required now. So you see, I got A here, the full dictionary, but I want only one element. So I can write sorry, unnecessary work. So I can copy this one and paste it. Rather, here, let me write 0. We have to modify a bit though. You check first the output. Run here. So if you see, I got 100 here, 200 here, 300 here. So this is simple dictionary. I showed you this way because it works exactly like a list, but it's not like a list. I've written 0 here. 0 is the first one. 1 is the second one. 2 is the third one. This is the fourth one. Suppose if I write 10 here, then you have to write 10 here. So A10 will not give you the 10th element. Run it. So now check. A10 is 100, not A0. And A1 is 200. A2 is 300. We have even A4. Okay. But yeah, that's fine. 10, 1, 2. We've written 10, 1, 2. So these are keys. How many keys we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 keys. And we have 4 values here. Keys of dictionary, if you collect, that will be a set. Even sets are designed only for this way. You collect keys and that's a set. Remember, keys should be immutable. You can't make a mutable key. I can write this way. Suppose I write A here, B here, C here, and D here. Type of A, then let me write A here, B here. These are the keys. C here, then run. Everything will work. It's a dictionary, and the whole dictionary, one by one element here, 100, 200, 300, everything we got. Now the key value, the keys are A, B, C, D. So now the keys are strings. Strings are also immutable. Then it's fine, not a problem at all. The first time we gave numbers immutable. Now you can make a tuple also. Suppose 10, 20 is the key. This can be a key. You change the key here, change the key here, change the key here. Just you can write 1, 2, 10, 20, 15, 25, whatever. Then 40, 29. So if you want to get access to the first element, if you want to get that, see, I've written here, just write A12 here. If you write A12, you will get 100. So this can be a tuple. Then the next one, after 1, 2, you write 10, 20, then 15, 25, then 40, 29. These are the keys. And what are the values? See the values 100, 200, 300, 400. In values, you can write any type because you want to keep the values. There is no restriction here. However, if you want to set keys, whatever you want, you can't do that. You are allowed only to set immutable types. One mutable we know. Let's try with list here. Can we make list as our keys? That is the question. There is a problem. Unhashable type list, because list is mutable, you can't make list as the key. We don't want to change the structure. That's how. Even if you write a set here, then also there is a problem. Now you make it 1. Run here, see the problem. It's showing this one now. This one is the problem. So let's go back to the original one. Yeah, this is possible, right? Sorry. This is possible. Let me run and check. So if you see here, let me run this one once again. Everything is working fine. Now I want to make this 1, suppose, and 2 here, because numbers are immutable. Run it. Working. Problem. Where is the problem? Here is the problem, right? So let's go here. 1 we have written, so you change it to 1. Then we have written 2 here, change it to 2. Is it fine? Yeah, it's fine. Now you make a key like this. 1 number, 1 string, 1 tuple. Problem? Check now. No problem. So you can take 1 as the key for 100, 2 as the key for 200, A is the key for 300. Wherever there is a string, you have to write within quotes. And this is the key for 500. Now suppose instead of 100, you want to keep X, Y, Z or G, whatever you say. Then U. There is no change. X, Y, Z, U. Now let's run a for loop. For I in A, print I. What you get? You get the keys. 1 to A, we can do it as B. Or let's make it 3, 4. 3, 4 here. I hope it's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are getting the keys 1, 2, 3, 4. If you print here the name of the dictionary with the keys I here. Yeah, you are getting better. You print, cut here, paste here. You got this right? 1x, 2y, 3z, 4u. So print I and AI. I is not necessarily 1. It could be anything. It could be Amit. Run it now. Although the key changed, but the values are the same. So keep it proper. Yeah, this is our dictionary. Now we'll see the name of the dictionary. We've given A here. So let's see the directory or directly help. What are the methods available here? If you go to the help and you see the methods, here you can get a shallow copy of D, you can apply clear, copy, items is here, then keys, pop, pop item, update, D dot values. This is a very common one. So all these are there. Apart from that, we have to do something else as well. So before proceeding further, let me tell you here, there are several ways you can write dictionaries. I can try with this. This way also, sorry, D is D-I-C-T, dict. This is my empty dictionary. Is there any problem? No problem. Fine. So here we can write, suppose you give name, salary, age. Suppose name I write Amit. Then salary 50,000. is 25, print D. So if you see here, name Amit, salary 50,000, age 25. This is called, these are keyworded. There are two types, positional and keyworded. If you recall the functions, the way we defined, and we wanted to send the keyworded arguments. So there we use this way. Remember this, double star, keyword arguments, key ARG. So that way, this way we use there. So there are different ways you can construct a dictionary, but these are the very common ways. The second one is particularly useful. If you remember this way in functions as well. But yeah, these are the types. Instead of writing this, if you want to write this way, remember, here you need to write name using quotes. Salary, you have to write using quotes. Otherwise, there will be problem. That is the only difference. Otherwise, it's one and the same. Now, suppose we write a dot keys. We want to get only keys. We want to get only values. Separately, we got values here. I have to write print. I got the keys separately 1, 2, 3, 4, and I got the values. If you write print a dot items, is it required? We got items because directly if you print a, you get 1x, 2y, 3z that way. But here you get in a different way. That's the only difference. So you can get access to all this. Now let's go to nested dictionary. Yeah, I forgot to write dictionary today. So now we'll make a nested dictionary. So whatever dictionary we have, this is one dictionary. We'll try to keep this dictionary. Let me copy. We have another dictionary B. And here, so I can write here another dictionary D, where suppose A stands for anything, you say class, okay. Then tomorrow, another class, you write B here. So this is one dictionary. So what I did is, the dictionary I have A, I've kept here. Run. Yeah, that's what I thought. We don't write. Line 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. What's the problem? Class I've written here, and then so this is one, and this is one. Here the whole dictionary, comma, whole dictionary here. So you can print, see, yeah, it's fine now. So what happens is, you wanted to keep this dictionary with this key, and this dictionary with this key. Suppose you print only the values here, you write a for loop. Suppose I write for I in C, print C I if you write. See, we got this dictionary, then we got this dictionary. Are they same? Okay, they are the same here. Yeah, we can have two dictionary, same dictionary, there is no problem, but you can't keep same keys. Suppose I write 3 here, then it will create a problem. You print now, print A. See, we have for key 1 it's X, for key 2 it's Y, for key 3 there are 2, okay? Z will be mapped, then the next one is U. So when U comes, this is the latest one, so there will be no Z here. So never try to repeat, that might create problem. Let me write a phone directory. We'll write a program to create a phone directory. You write name Amit, then write a phone number, then the next name. Suppose I write Ramit, and another number. Then Harish, 3 are fine, right? Then we can write for I, or you can write for name in phone dictionary. Print I, that is name here. I want to write a colon also. Then let me copy. Within bracketed I is name here. Check. Yeah, this is my phone directory. It's very simple. I've taken 3 numbers. So Amit, for Amit, the number is here, name and number. Okay. So dictionary is very useful here. Name and number. Name and number. You go to a store, you want to purchase rice, you want to purchase wheat, you want to purchase some other thing. So like you can write here 5 kg, 3 kg, 2 kg. Okay. You can't use a list for that. List is also a collection for, but that is that's used otherwise. In this case, dictionaries will be useful. Then let me write adding element to a dictionary. Suppose employees, let me write name, 50,000. The same example. Then you can write age, 25. Is it fine? Yeah, it's working. Now I've written name Amit, salary, then age. Now I want to add another one. It's similar. Suppose employee within bracket, you write in list, we used to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you write the key, whatever key you want to give. What we want here. Department, say marketing, sales, accounts, whatever you want. Check it, then print. See, we got name Amit, salary, age, department as well. This was not there. So that way you can go on adding one by one element. You can start with the empty dictionary and then you go on adding one by one element. Even you can pause also. Suppose, I mean, you can update. Let me, yeah, here only I can update. Suppose salary increased to 70,000. Now, if you run this, you got 70,000. So you can update as well. If you want anything you want to update, you can update. There is no problem. If you want to delete one element, then you write DEL. There is a problem. Name is not defined. Is it? Otherwise, you will check help. Yeah. So you just delete this way. Suppose we don't want that salary one. You write this way. Then you want to delete another one. You just write the key here and the key value pair, because there is a link that will be deleted. Then I can write employee dot pop. Which one? Age. You remember this pop method? Will it work here? Built-in function object is not subscriptable. Okay. Let me write here again. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. So pop method not only will delete, but also it will show you what is deleted. If you print employee now, employee, see this is there. No more age appearing here. So we have some more methods. This much is sufficient, I suppose. And later in practice, whatever extra is required, you'll be able to know other methods we have. For dictionary, this much for today. Thank you.